Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, what you're looking at right now is the lighthouse, uh, a view we did earlier this month, or actually probably the end of last month, on getting ready for our Ask Me About Bolivar shows. But we're going to end up looking at uh, the North Jetties. And so there you can see the top of the lighthouse where it's been cut off. I think that's a neat shot there. So let you see what's up top now. But they're working on it, and we're going to be doing some more shows on it and where they stand and everything. But right now you're looking at our Bolivar Flats cam, and this is on the North Jetties. This is the one that's operational. We've been doing some work on it because we've had some trouble with it. Look like tides pretty low with the winds we have right now. But let's look at the radar real quick. We've got uh, a lot going on today. One of the big events is the Showcase of Homes, and we're going to talk about that here in a little bit. But it looks like everything's moved offshore. I know we have some rain coming back in maybe Sunday afternoon or evening, and then Monday morning. In fact, Monday, last time I checked, we had like an 80% chance of rain, 80 to 90% chance of rain on Monday. And so, could be a little damp, but we needed some rain, and it really wasn't that bad. I think total in the last 24 hours, we got about an inch at the house there in Port Bolivar. But the yard's walkable and things are looking good. But let's talk about the Showcase of Homes, because that's a big event today. It's the first annual. In fact, this is going to be twice a year. They have it scheduled. It's this weekend today from 11 to 4, and they've got a great setup going on, and a lot of businesses. So if you're looking at buying your first beach home or second home or investment property, this is definitely a place you want to end up today. Just because you can talk to a mortgage company, you can talk to the title company. If you're wanting to build a home, they've got several builders there. If you looking at investment property and want to talk to someone about what they can expect for vacation rentals, you can talk to George with Bolivar Vacation. He's going to be here. Prestige Custom Builders, Walls Family Builders, Brent. Talking insurance, because that's a big thing down here, is what kind of insurance you have to have and what the cost is. And so this is a great event. And then you can go to Stingery Restaurant and have their Oysters Jubilee, although they are going to have snacks and stuff at each home. And it all starts at the office of 110 Realty Group. And so make sure you go by 2056 Highway 87, pick up the packet and register, because you're going to have to go to each one of these houses, and they have giveaways. They're going to have drawings at the end of the event, I believe, but someone's going to get a weekend beachfront rental. And so this is, you may buy a home down here, but then you're going to have a second one that you can use one weekend or have some friends stay in. And so this is a great event, and it's not just in the fall to this weekend, November 11th, and so next year it'll be Veterans Day weekend too. But they also have one scheduled for the spring, March 2nd. And what better way to kick off the spring than with the purchase of a new beach home, whether it's one that's furnished, maybe someone's ready to move closer to the grandkids, or have one built by Prestige or Walls Family Builders. But this is a great event, and they're going to have at the end from 4 to 5 at Down Under, they're going to have Service First Mortgage is sponsoring a mixer. And so, great event, new event, and look forward to making the rounds today. We're going to have a bunch of studio stuff to do, but we're going to try and get out. And the weather's looking great as far as the radar goes. And so let's look at it one more time. There's a little noise around Houston where the radar is, but you can see most of the rain's moved offshore. And so what better way to spend the day? It's nice down here. It's cool. The crowds are light, then coming down to the showcase of homes, and then enjoying some oysters or a fresh seafood dinner at one of our area restaurants. And like I said, Stingery is working with Beth on this, and they also have the Oysters Jubilee at Stingery going on right now. Fresh shucked oysters, giant Texas-sized platter. You'll probably need a recliner when you get done, or split it with a loved one, maybe two salads. But anyway, great event today. First of many to come. This is the fall edition. We've got a spring edition coming in March 2nd of 2024, and we're excited. When I went to Beth about this and said, hey, would you be interested, she said, heck yeah. And so she does a lot of open houses down here, works with me on the Bolivar Live, and so she really promotes the homes that she sells. And she's got a good network of investors and stuff that she works with too. So looks like we're coming off black and white infrared back into the color now. There at the camera flash. So anyway, you can see Bolivar Live anytime through our 11 live webcams. 11 live webcams at BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com. We've got beachfront, we've got Bayside. There you can see what it looks like at the North Jetties. And there was a boat up there last weekend. In fact, I'm going to go back and see if we caught it on video because we do a time-lapse recording. And so I've got to check on that. But anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you down here today on the beach, maybe at Stingery, maybe at the Showcase of Homes. But come on down and explore Bolivar Peninsula. You'll love it. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless. And we'll see you on the Upper Texas Coast, Bolivar Peninsula. God bless, and bye-bye.